Welcome back to the channel, and this is Organize Photos Offline with Simple Gallery. So first, just simply download this application and it will be available on the App Store or Google Play Store. And now just simply open it up once you have downloaded it. Now, here you can just simply select Allow. Pretty much guys, when you select Allow, all of your files from your phone will be available over here. Now you can just simply select the three dots on the top right. And from here, you will have multiple options. And now, in order for you to organize it, you could just simply tap on a create new folder. And from here, you could just simply select a folder. I'm going to go for DCIM. And now here, I'm going to select DCIM and tap on OK. And just simply provide a new folder. I'm going to go for new photos, for example. And after that, select OK. And now we will have new photos folder over here. Now you could just simply select any folder and you could just simply hold them and tap on the three dots. And you will have option here, move to, and move it to the new photos. Tap on the new photos. From there, you should be able to move it out. And pretty much it is just a repetitive action, and you can just simply organize your files over here. And when you select an album, you will have an option as well, three dots over here, and you will have multiple actions that you could do. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.